Selamat pagi semua. Okey, boleh dengar?
Boleh.
Boleh.
Boleh, Sir.
Okay. Thank you. So untuk hari ini kita akan sambung dengan kita punya pembelajaran. But sebelum ini cikgu nak ucapkan tahniah kepada semua yang hadir pada tutors program last Saturday. So full of congratulations to all of you for attending the program. So saya harap dengan apa yang perbincangan yang dilakukan bersama kawan-kawan tu dapat memberikan manfaat lah kepada semua yang ada di dalam ini. Okay, so for today, so I will continue to chapter 8, which is the title is light and optics. So this is a brand new topic which is different compared to chapter 7. In last topic, we learned about the air. So in the last topic, so I just recap for a while. So in the last topic, we learned about air, which was about the composition of air. As you all know, in our air consists of nitrogen, which is 78%. And then what else? Okay, and then oxygen around 21%, followed by inert gases and other substances around 0.97%, and also carbon dioxide around 0.03%. And in our air could also contain kind of dust. Yes, dust, water vapor, and also microorganisms. Okay, and then you also learn about the importance of gases for each of the gas available in our air, for oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and also inert gases. And we also learn about the carbon cycle and oxygen cycle. And then you also learn about the ways to prevent interferences in the oxygen and carbon cycles. And the subtopic 7.2, you learn about the combustion. So we got 3 conditions needed for combustion, which are oxygen, fuel, and heat. So all these 3 conditions need to be fulfilled in order to make sure that the combustion or the fire can be started. And then you also learn about the fire extinguisher. So we got several types of fire extinguisher, depends on the materials on fire. And then we also learn about the safety measures to prevent the occurrence of fire. And the last one is subtopic 7.3, you learn about the air pollution. So you learn about the sources of air pollutants, the sources and also the pollutants that cause the air pollution. And then you learn about the causes and effects of air pollution and also ways to prevent and control air pollution. So that's the topics that it contains that you learn in the last previous topic. So for today, we are going to learn in a brand new topic, chapter 8, entitled Lights and Optics. So in this topic, you are going to learn about more specific about lights and also optics. So the first subtopic for this chapter would be the use of mirrors. So before that, these are the keywords. Okay, keywords in this topic, which are the angle of reflection, and then the real maksudnya sahih lah. And then virtual ni maya. Reflection ni seperti pantulan. And then refraction ni refraction ni macam bias. And then dispersion, object distance, and image distance. These are the keywords that you are going to learn in these topics. Okay, so as you can see here, what can you see from the picture? So apa yang awak lihat dalam gambar ni? Apa yang awak lihat dalam gambar ni?
Bayang-bayang pokok.
Bayang-bayang pokok, a palm tree. What else? Clouds. And you can see apa ni? A white clouds, and then you can see a blue sky, and then you can see white sandy beaches, and then you also can see the deep blue sea. So the green one, the white one, and the deep one is the blue one. So how can you see this picture? Actually, this is what you are going to learn in this topic. So this is a sea water, and then this is a space. So why they look blue when the sun is shining? Kenapa dia nampak biru when the sun is shining? So you are going to learn to know how can this happen. Okay, why shadow? Why rainbow? Why all these things occur in our life? Why, and why? So from this topic you are going to learn, and then you will find the answer by yourself. Okay. So macam ni cakap, we will learn all this in chapter 8. So after you finish to cover all the subtopic in this chapter 8, I believe that you will find all the answers. Okay, so now we go to the first subtopic, the use of mirror. So you can refer your textbook, page 222. So in this topic, the thing that you are going to learn is, so you can refer your textbook, differentiate between a real image and virtual image. So we got two different image, which are real image, iaitu image nyata. Sekejap saya tengok dalam BM dia apa istilah dia. Takut salah. Image sahih. Image sahih. And virtual image ni ialah image maya. And then I communicate about the characteristic of image formed by a plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. So maksudnya ialah mengkaji berkomunikasi tentang ciri-ciri image dalam plane mirror tu ialah image cermin satah. Concave mirror ni ialah cermin cekung, dan convex mirror ni ialah cermin cembung. Okay, state that the object distance is equal to the image distance in a plane mirror, and then use the plane mirror to apply the concept of reflection of light, and then justify the application of concave mirrors and convex mirrors in daily life, and construct an optical instrument to appreciate the use of these optical instruments to enhance the ability of the human senses and solve problems in daily life involving the application of plane mirrors, concave mirror, and convex mirrors. Okay. So when we refer to the image, we got two different images. The first one is the real image, iaitu image sahih, and the virtual image, and the second one is the virtual image with the image maya. So actually the real image is a forms on a screen, while the virtual image cannot be formed on a screen. So maksudnya ialah yang macam awak tengok macam image, kalau something that can form on a screen, so means that it is a real image. But if the image cannot be formed on a screen image, so means that it's a virtual image. Means that the image is formed inside of the mirror actually. Okay, so this is a real image. So this is a real image. So you can see the light rays, and the light rays inside the tiny hole, so to let the lights in. So this is a blackout window. As you can see here, this is an image of an object. See, this is how we want to apply about the real image. And for the virtual image ataupun image apa ni? Image virtual tadi apa? Maya. So awak tengok the image is just same the size of the real image, the real apa? Real object. So the image is upright and then same size, same distance, virtual and laterally inverted. So laterally inverted ni maksudnya dia ialah terbalik. Ini ialah image yang biasa awak tengok dalam cermin. Ya, awak tengok dalam cermin muka, image awak tu dalam cermin tu sebenarnya. That's why we call it as a virtual image. Image awak tak terbalik, cuma dia songsang kiri dan kanan. An artist drew the picture below. Can you find 8 mistakes in this drawing? One has been circled for you. So jadi apa yang salahnya dekat sini? Jadi apa lagi awak rasa ini salah?
Tulisan super.
So jadi kalau awak tengok ini salah, ini pun salah. Ini dekat tangan sini, sepatutnya dia akan bentuk di sini. Ini panjang kan, tapi ini panjangnya dekat belakang, tiba-tiba jadi dekat depan. Jadi dia terbalik. Macam muka ni sama saja. Bermaksud dia ialah dia terbalik macam tu saja, dia bukan dia tiba-tiba jadi depan macam tu. Kalau awak tak percaya, awak boleh tengok dalam cermin, kalau awak buat macam tu pun, awak tengok tu walaupun depan, dia akan depan terbalik. Kalau jauh belakang, dia pun ada di belakang. Apa lagi? Rambut dia. Macam saya cakap tadi. Ni. Ini yang panjang sini kan. Ni. Tengok rambut. Ini rambut dia ke depan, ini rambut dia ke belakang. Ini tiba-tiba telinga dia hilang. Padahal patutnya telinga dia dia punya jambul depan ni pun berbeza. Okay, so far faham? Okay. Okay, now we go to the type of mirrors. So we got 3 type of mirrors, which are the convex mirror, plane mirror and concave mirror. So yang plane mirror ni ialah mirror yang biasa awak gunalah dalam kehidupan awak, nak tengok muka awak tu. Convex mirror ni and concave mirror ni biasa kita nak guna, biasanya kita guna apa ni, macam convex mirror ni kita akan biasanya guna di tepi jalan. Contohnya convex mirror is used as a safety feature at dangerous corner of a road. Jadi in the dangerous corner of a road, so we will use a convex mirror. It will it will enlarge the image in the other side. So for the concave mirror ni biasanya digunakan bila dekat klinik gigi. Contohnya by dentist to see the patient's teeth so that the image form looks bigger and closer. So maybe you can also use the concave mirror to magnify the image to make it easier for someone to apply makeup. Contoh awak nak apply makeup dekat muka awak, so we will use a concave mirror. But for the plane mirror biasanya orang letak macam let's say you want to see if you are a dancer, so you want to see your movement, so you can use a plane mirror, or maybe you can put a plane mirror in your room to make your room become spacious. To make your room look spacious, maksudnya menampakkan bilik jadi lebih luas. Okay, the difference between the concave and the convex mirror. Kalau awak tengok yang atas ni, ini ialah kalau yang ini yang nampak muka besar sangat ni, ini ialah kita panggil sebagai concave mirror. Jadi muka awak jadi besar semacam. Kalau yang ini dia akan broadkan dia punya. Ini ialah convex mirror. So awak dapat tengok perbezaan dia. Jadi biasanya yang concave mirror ni, convex lah, kita tengok convex dulu. Biasanya dia nak bagi kawasan yang sempit jadi luas. Jadi bila dia luas, untuk awak dapat tengok kawasan lebih luas. Tapi biasanya kalau macam concave mirror, kalau concave biasanya kita nak membesarkan. Ni concave, ini ialah convex. Jadi awak kena tahu bezakan. Biasanya yang concave mirror ni kita nak gunakan untuk membesarkan image yang kecil. Contoh awak baca bacaan awak tak nampak, so awak guna concave mirror. Tapi biasanya kalau convex mirror ni hanyalah untuk meluaskan dia punya views. Okay, now like I told to you before, usage of the plane mirror helps a dancer to correct their movements. So by using a plane mirror, so the dancer can see her own movement. So maybe it can make a correction if there is a mistakes in her movement. And then usage of the plane mirror also make room look spacious. Bila awak letak cermin, bilik awak nampak luas walaupun realitinya bilik awak tu kecil saja. And then usage of the concave mirror magnify the image, so easier for someone to apply makeup. So if you want to apply makeup on your face, so that's why there are some girls out there bought a concave mirror and put the concave mirror in their dressing table. So makeup table sebenarnya. And then they will use that concave mirror to apply makeup on their face, especially if they want to apply the mascara, and then maybe they want to apply the contact lenses in on their eyes. Macam tu. And then the use of the concave mirror. Besides that, used by a dentist, and then patient's teeth look bigger and closer. Okay, boleh. Ini dalam buku teks pun ada ni. Okay, and then the usage of the convex mirror used as a safety feature at dangerous corner of a road. This is how we apply the convex mirror at the dangerous corner of a road. So the driver can see can see at the different corner of a road which cannot be seen by using your normal eyes. And then it helps shopkeeper to see every corner to prevent theft. So jadi macam ni awak tengok by using the convex mirror, so it will enlarge the views of the shop, so the shopkeeper can see every corner. So if the theft want to do something bad, so they will think twice before they do that. Okay, boleh faham? Setakat ini.
Boleh.
Kalau nak faham cakap. Okay, now we proceed to the optical instruments that apply the concept of reflection of light. The first instrument is periscope. So this is the periscope. So actually the periscope is an instrument used in a submarines to observe the sea surface. So this is in a submarine, kapal selam. So the periscope works by using the concept of reflection of light. So as you can see here, this is an image. This is the object of the ship. So the image of the ship will go through the mirror here. So it will reflect. This is around 45 degree. So it will reflect to the next mirror, and then it will reflect back to our eyes, where our eyes is in a submarine. So we can see the ship on the surface of the water by using this kind of periscope. And then we also got the kaleidoscope. What is kaleidoscope? Okay, Calidoscope is a toy made using a plane mirrors. With this toy, you can create various amazing patterns. And these patterns are obtained due to the repeated reflection of the image of the object inside the kaleidoscope. Therefore, the number of images seen is more than the number of objects. Okay, jadi yang ini ialah biasanya yang kanak-kanak punya main lah, saya tak pernah tengok pun benda ni. Jadi biasanya yang kanak-kanak dia pusing-pusing, so dia turn around, dia apa ni, pusing-pusing semua kan. Benda ni, then you can see a lot of images like this one. So actually this kind of image can attract the kids to play with this kind of kaleidoscope. So how this thing can happen, they apply by using the reflection, the concept of the reflection of light. Okay, boleh faham?
Boleh.
Simple saja pun topik ni. Okay, so we done with the first subtopic. So if you have no question to ask, so I will recap back what we already learned today. Today we learn about the use of mirror. So plane mirror in bahasa we call it as a cermin satah. We use the mirror every day by using the plane mirror. So we got two kind of images, real image and virtual image, where the real image forms on a screen and the virtual image cannot be formed on a screen. So this is how the real image works. So this is the object. So the light rays go through the tiny hole and then it will form the image of object which are terbalik, upside down. This is in a dark room. So kalau tengok real image forms on a screen. Ya, dekat screen dalam ni. And then the virtual image which cannot be formed on a screen. Means that the virtual image formed inside of the screen, back of the screen actually. This is how the virtual image, where the image is upright, macam ni juga, same size, tak kecil, tak besar, same distance and then virtual. Virtual ni maksudnya banyak and laterally inverted. So dia terbalik side by side. And then we got three type of mirrors, convex mirror, plane mirror and concave mirror. Kalau susah sangat awak nak sebut convex dengan concave ni, awak ingat dalam bahasa pun boleh juga sebab kita biasa guna dalam bahasa Melayu sebenarnya. So concave mirror ni ialah cermin cekung dan cermin cembung ni convex mirror. So this is the convex mirror lah untuk biasanya convex mirror ni untuk enlarge the image. Actually enlarge the image to see the bigger space lah. And then for the convex mirror, it's more function to enlarge the image which is nearer to the mirror, to the convex mirror. This is the difference between the concave and convex mirror. So this is the convex mirror. This is the concave mirror. So awak tak susah lah guna concave mirror, awak tengok depan-depan muka awak jadi besar. Melainkan awak nak tengok jerawat. Mana tahu awak tengok jerawat kat muka awak kan nampak kecil, awak guna concave mirror tu, then awak bolehlah tengok concave jelah concave mirror, then awak boleh tengoklah jerawat awak yang besar lagi jelas. Tapi kalau awak nak tengok the bigger area, so you have to use the convex mirror. This is the difference. This is the concave mirror and this is a convex mirror. So another usage of the plane mirror, first to helps a dancer to correct their movement and then make room look spacious, and another usage of concave like to magnify the image, easier for someone to apply makeup and then used by a dentist, and also patients teeth look bigger and closer. So senang doktor gigi nak check gigi awak. So siapa yang biasa kena check gigi ni, macam awak kena scaling gigi kan, doktor akan masuk concave mirror ni, dan dia akan gunalah alat itu untuk bersihkan gigi awak tu. And then another usage of convex mirror, safety feature at dangerous corner of a road, and then it also can help the shopkeeper to prevent theft. And the last one, the application of the concept of reflection of light. The first one is the periscope. So these are the plane mirror. So this plane mirror functions to reflect the light come from the object. So the light from this object, which is a ship, moving through the plane mirror, and then it will reflect to the second plane mirror, and then it will reflect to our eye, so we can see the object on the sea. And the last one is the kaleidoscope, and this is the image of kaleidoscope. So this can be used as a kids can use for the kids if they want to play with this kind of kaleidoscope. Okay, that's we already learned for today. So if you have no question to ask, betul tak ada soalan?
Tak ada.
Okay. So we've done with our subtopic for today. So for your homework, so I want you to do this kind of exercise. Formative 8.1. 8.1 in page 229. So question they already consist of 3 questions. So you just answer all those 3 questions in your exercise book. Okay, boleh?
Boleh.
So you have to submit to me. Submit by today before 9 p.m. Boleh lah. Submit by today before 9 p.m. So up to you lah whether you want to submit to me after this or maybe this evening, but please make sure that you submit, hand in to me before 9 p.m. today. Okay, so if you have no question to ask, so I want to record the attendance